Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content and reviews and all things body care and home fragrance. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I mean that sincerely. So I am back with another review for my impression of Midsummer Dream. It is another summer release for 2021, and you guys, I have been doing so many reviews and I'm not mad. I'm enjoying every minute of it. I really like the summer releases, so I'm really not disappointed in anything that I've purchased so far. And that's saying a lot because some of the spring releases, I was just like, they're just okay, you know, but I'm really liking the summer 2021. So, yes, without further ado, I have the body cream as well as the fine fragrance mist. Now, the fine fragrance mist retails for $15.50, and the strange thing about this is the body cream retails for $15.50 as well. See, right there. And usually the body creams are $1 less, right? I mean, is it just me? But these are the same price. I'm like, is that where we're headed in the future? I do not know. But we'll see, right? So let me go ahead and read you the scent description. Salted pear, fresh nectarine, and seaside lily. Carefree memories are yours to create when sun-drenched days fade into starlit nights. Get washed away in a midsummer dream. Oh, that sounds so pretty. Okay, so I like the packaging on this. It's like a shoreline with ocean waves and a beautiful clear blue sky with bronze label on the back and bronze writing. And then the fine fragrance mist. I love the orange and the light blue together with a clear top. It's very pretty. Very pretty packaging. So for this one, I agree with the scent description for this one. The seaside lily, because lily always gives off an aquatic vibe to my nose. It's like a really pretty fresh floral, like fresh, almost like a hairspray, like that kind of floral fresh scent. But then you get a little bit of salt, like that makes it a little spa-like. And then the nectarine makes it really bright. It's like the perfect amount of nectarine, because you guys, if you follow me, you know I don't really care for orange scents at all. They have to be mixed with a vanilla or added in small doses as an accent for me to enjoy it. But the nectarine really does brighten it up, and then you get that pear. So I mean, it's just a really pretty, fresh floral, and I'm really enjoying it. Now, what I will say is that after a couple of hours, it was gone. Okay, like just, yeah. I mean, it definitely didn't last too long. So this is one, at least on me, that I would need to reapply probably every couple of hours to really enjoy the fragrance. I mean, when I smelled my skin, I could smell it a little bit, but not enough for my nose. Like Firecracker Pop is like, hello, you know, you can really smell that one. But this one, it's a little bit more subdued. And as it wore, it took on a sweetness. So it became like a sweet floral. Very pretty. And I don't know where the sweet was coming from. Maybe it's a combination of the pear and the nectarine. I don't know. But it became like just a really soft, sweet floral. So yeah, definitely enjoying this. And Midsummer Dream, I would say that name is very appropriate because it is. It's just like really pretty, like lovely romantic summer memories or something. But yeah, I really like this one. Not disappointed at all. that I purchased this. So let me know what you guys think. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.